Hello everyone, welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error, red limit problem on Twitter account. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen, go back and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Tap on Wi-Fi connection, then tap on forget this network, then tap on forget, and after a few minutes you have connect, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode. At least 30 seconds you have turned it off. And after that, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on iPhone storage. Wait some second, and from here you search for this Twitter account. Tap on Twitter account, and from here you make sure that offload your app, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down, then tap on date and time. From here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and set correct date and time, and after that go back, then tap on VPN and device management, and from here if you connect anyone VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting, and after reset network setting check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back and open your App Store and Play Store, and from here you search for this Twitter account. Tap on Twitter account, and from here you make sure that update your Twitter account, and after update your Twitter account, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.